Your fridge keeps food safe for about 4 hours after the power dies. 4. After that, it's a countdown, and you're standing in front of an open door, letting the last of the cold leak out. The food that actually saves you in a blackout was never in that fridge. It's the can at the back of your shelf you keep meaning to buy. Today, 12 canned foods that outlast any blackout. And number 7, most pantries don't have it, and it's the one that keeps your whole family from falling apart. Stay with me. Why this list exists. Here's what nobody tells you. No power means no cooking, no refrigeration, and stores that empty in hours. So every can has to do 3 jobs: feed you, need 0 cooking, and last for years. These 12 do all 3. We're counting down. Numbers 12 through 8. Number 12, canned vegetables. Boring, yes, but they're the nutrients you stop getting the second fresh food runs out. Number 11, canned fruit. Packed in juice, that's calories, vitamin C, and hydration hiding in plain sight. Number 10 is one most people skip: sardines. Don't make that face. Pop the lid. Eat them cold, and you've got more protein and omega-3 than almost anything else on this list. Number 9, canned chili or stew. A full meal in one can, eaten cold, straight from the tin if it comes to that. Number 8, canned chicken. The protein you build 10 different meals around. And now, number 7, the one almost every pantry is missing: canned milk, evaporated or condensed. It sounds strange until hour 30. When the kids are scared, nobody's slept, and there's no fresh milk anywhere. One can turn plain water into something warm. It makes coffee drinkable when you need to stay sharp. It calms a crying toddler. This isn't about nutrition. It's about morale. And morale is the first thing a long blackout takes. Write down canned milk right now. Here's a quick truth before we keep going. A blackout rarely breaks a family through hunger. It breaks them through stress. The right cans don't just feed you, they keep everyone calm. Number 6, canned beans. Protein, fiber, calories, pennies a serving. Number 5, canned soup. Instant comfort, and the salt your body starts craving. Number 4, canned pasta or ravioli. The food your kids will actually eat when everything else feels scary. Number 3, canned corned beef, or any canned meat. Dense calories that last for years. Number 2, canned tomatoes. The base that turns 5 other cans into a real meal. And number 1, canned tuna or salmon. Cheap, available everywhere. 0 cooking, loaded with protein, with a shelf life that outlives the crisis. If you buy nothing else this week, buy this. So here's your move tonight. Walk to your pantry and count how many of these 12 you already own. Drop that number in the comments. I read everyone, and the one storage mistake that quietly ruins half a prepper's canned food. That's the next video. This is Last Signal.